A carbide burr tool can be extremely useful in automotive repair for removing seized bolts and damaged fasteners because it allows a mechanic to carefully grind away metal when traditional removal methods like wrenches, extractors, or drilling are no longer effective. When bolts become rusted, corroded, or heat-seized, common in exhaust systems, suspension components, and engine assemblies, they often round off or break, making them difficult to grip or turn. In these situations, a carbide burr tool attached to a high-speed die grinder can be used to reshape the damaged fastener head, cut a new slot for a flathead screwdriver, or even carefully grind away portions of the bolt head to relieve tension and allow disassembly of the surrounding components. Because tungsten carbide is significantly harder than steel, the burr can cut through hardened, rusted, or work-hardened fasteners without quickly dulling, even when the material is extremely abrasive or compromised. The mechanic must work with precision, removing small amounts of material at a time to avoid damaging the surrounding aluminum housings, threaded holes, or mating surfaces, especially in tight engine bays where access is limited. Carbide burrs also allow controlled relief cuts to be made in the bolt head or nut, which can reduce clamping force and make it easier to back the fastener out or split it for removal. In cases where bolts are completely seized or snapped, the burr can help excavate surrounding corrosion or weld material so that extractors or drilling tools can be applied more effectively afterward. This makes carbide burrs an essential problem-solving tool in automotive repair because they provide versatility, precision, and aggressive cutting power in situations where conventional hand tools are ineffective, ultimately saving time, reducing the risk of further damage, and improving the chances of successful fastener removal.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.